Hello everyone, I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So today I came in Nazirur Bazaar, Gurdaspur, Natur, and you can see this is molasses of date. So at the time I am going to show you what is the price of molasses today. So and liquid molasses other side. So no problem, I will show you inshallah. So what is the price? And molasses high price, but at the time just 120 taka or 200 per kg or per kilo. So if you want to buy the molasses of date, so please come in Nazirur Bazaar, Gurdaspur, Natur. So I hope you will get pure molasses of date. I am sure, inshallah. So no problem. And I'm going to show you another molasses of date, especially liquid. So go. And you can see there are a lot of people. Brought the molasses, and you can see there are a lot of pot and other side. But and many people and many farmer and many businessmen say he said he cannot sell the molasses at the time. So very sad. So inshallah, I will pray and you will pray for the farmer and for the businessman. So if you want to buy the liquid molasses of date, so please come in my Nazirur Bazaar. So inshallah, you will get 100% pure molasses of date. So bye, Allah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.